One time for the underdog. One time for the underdog. You got the world on you.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the FX220 YouTube channel. This is Oussama, expert Forex trader and mentor, and in this video we're gonna go through my trade that I took on pound AUD on Friday, New York session. This was the last trade for the week. Absolutely amazing week. We've killed it. The students absolutely killed it. So proud of you guys. Very happy to see the progress of my students, and most of them who started just a few weeks ago are being able to consistently win and consistently make money out of the Forex market. So absolutely blessed. So this video, as you can see, starting from here, we had a bit of a downtrend from pound AUD. I've took this previous trade as well, many trading opportunities on this pair, and this was the last one at Friday New York session. We had our directional move. This is clearly a downtrend. We had this low breaks lower than this low, which means we currently still in a downtrend. We had a nice pullback here, and we had an M formation on our EMAs. So I was in straight after this strong confirmation candle, and I was out in 2 candles. So this is what you should aim for, guys, especially around this time, which is mid New York session, and Friday, which is known to have low volume in the markets. So you want to be in and out, take your pips, stay like for 15, 30, 45 minutes, and you're out, you're done. So for 3 candles, you'd have made 34 pips, and you call it a day and a hell of a week. If you've made, this week was great because we've had countless of trading opportunities and we took advantage of that. These are the biggest weeks that you will make the most money in. I've explained the process of analyzing and taking our trades and the criteria behind them many times in my previous videos. You can check my channel and just look for the long videos that explain everything, and you guys will be able to understand how our strategy works. So also, guys, make sure to follow us on Instagram. You're really missing out if you're not following me on Instagram. It's where I post everything, all my trades, all my tech profits, and I answer all the DMs and questions from students and non-students. I try to provide as much help as I possibly can, and It's been amazing so far, so make sure to follow us on Instagram and Facebook. You guys cannot miss this. You can check our smash take profits here. You can check the testimonials and results for my students, also the information about the mentoring program and the Forex course that we have. So I hope you guys like this video. I wish you guys to have a great weekend. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, good luck and good trading. This is FX220.